What's up, guys? Right now I found a bird, and look, I'm really close to it. He's not that scared. Are you okay with me being on camera? Oh, he's just walking with me. Come on, come on, let's go. Come on. Nah, he likes being on camera. You cute chicken. He's looking. Hi. Are you looking at me? You're looking at camera. Tortitos. I just want some tortitos. Oh! That scared me. Jesus Christ. I thought you wanted to be on camera, but you got shy, okay? Well, now I'm scared of those chickens. Oh my God. Every chicken here is scaring me. Okay, well, then I guess that was just a slow video clip of me getting close to a chicken. So I hope you guys enjoy, and you guys can meme this if you want to. So I hope you guys enjoy, and bye. Bye. Linky Dude out.